Folks, today we're talking about prime numbers in SHSAT or SHSAT arithmetic. Alright, so what are prime numbers? Prime numbers. Well, here's the definition that your textbook is going to give you. Prime numbers are any number that have only two divisors, them and 1. So for example, 2 is a prime number. Why? Only two numbers go into it, 2 and 1. Does 3 go into 2? No, don't even try. It's going to give you a decimal. Does 5 go into 2? Don't even try. It's going to give you a decimal. Let's try another number. 7. That's a prime. Why? Only two numbers go into it. Itself and 1. Does any other number go into it? Let's try 3. What's 7 divided by 3? Oh, wait. It's not a whole number. Right. Let's try a different number. 2. 7 divided by 2. Oh, wait. That's not a whole number. So, boom. 7 only has two divisors. 7 and 1. Itself and 1. That's why it's a prime number. You can also think of prime numbers as buildings. That's right, buildings. You see buildings every day when you're walking on the street. Well, now you're about to see prime numbers when you walk every day on the street. Let me tell you why. Let's say you have a number like the number 2. Well, it's only got one building block, which is, actually it's only got two building blocks, which is itself and 1. Right? Or you can write it as itself and 1. Let's think about another number. 3, it's got only two building blocks, itself and 1, right? Every prime number is just gonna be a two-story apartment building. What about a composite number, something like 12? Something like 12. That thing has a lot of building blocks. It has 12, it has itself, it has 6, it has 4, it has 3, it has 2, it has 1. It has a lot of building blocks, right? So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-story building. Whereas the prime numbers are only two-story buildings. Hopefully that analogy helps you understand prime numbers. We'll check you out in the next episode of SHSAT Arithmetic. Thanks.
Embedded plus MKO plus scaffolding equal learning. We believe anyone can learn anything. That's why our motto is memorization is a crime. And that's why we partnered with Brilliant.
Brilliant transforms math and science into hands-on activities so that you too can understand everything from first grade math to E equals MC squared. Barry Science Lab and Brilliant is your MKO and will give you the scaffolding to expand your ZPD until you become the next Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein.
Visit brilliant.org/Barry Science Lab today. And the first 50 of you to use that link will get a 20% discount on the Brilliant annual subscription.
Don't forget that you too can become the next Einstein. So let's fall in love with math and science.